Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Sir Rich, that's Rock, and that's Roscoe right there, y'all. Our new camping buddy. We see how it go. My dog Lucy Lou had puppies. Rock not the father, it's the dog next door. Big old cane Corso. And I was supposed to get rid of them puppies, but I ended up keeping him. I know I didn't make a good decision, but I want him. I like him. So we all about to go out. Check my roof out back there. I'm all hooked up. I'm ready to roll out. This is my third camping trip of the year. I didn't record the first two because there wasn't really too much going on. And it was just cold, man. It was just cold. But you know, we just want to get out the house. But you know what? We about to hit the road.
I'm zombie but awake, 밤비가 내려wake. Can't wait, no time is a game, so I just put it all my way. I'm zombie but awake, 밤비가 내려wake. Can't wait, no time is a game, so I just put it all my way. All I need is love, all I need is hope. 사랑을 갈구해 랩으로 박치는 건 나 랩으로 얘기해 막 사는 걸 자랑을 하는 래퍼들 얘기는 no. All I need is hope, all I need is hope. 현실을 도피해 랩으로 바쁘단 걸 날 필요로 한다고 느끼는 게 살아있다고 날 더 느끼게 해. 하고 싶은 얘기들을 담아서 노래로 만들어 나는 길을 받아서 누구에게 약이 되고 누구에겐 독 이런 얘기들은 뱀이 들어버렸네. 밤에 들이부어져 간이 부어버려 툭 튀어나와버렸네. 배가 부르지 않게 better rap honey bad honey bad bust down rolling. 하나로는 부족해 하나로는 부족하니까 난 손목에 내 또 내 목에 챙갱갱. 하지 못할 일은 없으니까 가족에게 보여줄 일밖에 이젠 없으니까 Hustle for the best, got no time for the bitches. 랩을 못한다면 내 노래마저도 예매. Get the money back back, new click, new whip, never put it back, payback, click, clack, bang. I'm walking like a zombie. I'm rapping like a zombie. I'm walking like a zombie. I'm living.
Right, can you see me? What's up everybody? I'm back. I made it up here. I'm at the Mark Twain. Let's see, Mark Twain. What is Mark Twain something? Mark Twain Cave Campground in Missouri. 546 miles from the crib. The GPS said 8 hours. It took me about 9.5 hours to get here. But we here chilling. Check my site out right here. Bam. It's nice. Right. Yep. On back of me. Got the big hills all through here. We right real close to the Mississippi River. We chilling, y'all. We about to do some exploring, baby. I'm here hanging out with my camping team. Bio-State camping team, Midwest. Forever Tripping, Williams on the way. You got the whole gang of people here, man. A lot of good people. I told you I got family everywhere. And I'll travel everywhere, I promise you. I'm having a good time here. We just been kind of mingling a little bit. It was raining when I first got here, but the sun is out. I like my camping spot. Look at my fire pit. It's a little different. I don't know. Put some aluminum foil on there. Cook me some hot dogs and some chicken. That's my boy Roscoe right there. That's Lucy Lou. Puppy right there. Rock, he ain't the father. Rock, the big brother though. Roscoe was born that Tuesday before Thanksgiving. I know I shouldn't have kept him, but I wanted him. So we out here about to have us a good time. It's Thursday. It's early too. It's probably about 10 o'clock now. And I'm gonna be here to Sunday. That's Easter Sunday. And we're just gonna be hanging out, chilling, enjoying life, baby. That's what I do, man. That's what I do. We'll be back. Yeah. Rock, come on, this way. Right, look at this. We out here, baby. Look at me. Detroit Pistons, baby. Yeah, that's what I am. I'm a Piston. I'm a bad boy. Man, look at this right here, the side of the mountain or the hill. I don't know what this is. There's some, oh, that go deep up in there. Roscoe. We out here exploring, y'all. Yeah. Right, y'all. Check me out right here. That's my carry out.
Okay, hey. Look this way, guys.
Chip in the house.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. That's
Your
my
fingers
family.
over it.
Oh, wait a minute. That's my family right there, y'all.
Now they know who I am.
Yeah, there it is.
Right.
Oh, you're
We in the
recording.
house. Oh, yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording, y'all. All right.
What up, though?
I know everybody's like, hey,
I told y'all I got family everywhere.
everywhere. In Missouri,
Yep.
the Show Me State.
Yeah.
We gonna show him.
Yeah, we out.
Are we out?
All right, y'all. Thought I'd click in. It's Friday morning. I'm out here just chilling, and my boy Rock is so jealous of my new puppy. He just won't leave me alone, climbing up on me. It's like he just need extra love. It's just too much. He's just so jealous. And then every now and then I catch him, he'll growl at Roscoe. Yeah, that's my boy Roscoe. He on this. Got to keep him leashed up here. This guy right here, he won't. he tripping. Yeah, but we having a good time here. You know, I eventually crashed out yesterday. I was so tired after that long drive. But man, I'm having a great time. I told you I got family everywhere here, y'all. Everywhere. Good people. I keep good people around me. Yep. So we just chilling now. I got me a little coffee. I'm trying to enjoy my little time right here to myself. But Rocky just keep pushing in. Yep. But that's my site right there. Yeah. I got a lot of space here. People next door. I don't know if somebody was here. It'd be tight. It would be a little tight. If somebody was in this spot, I hope don't nobody pull in this spot because it'd be real tight. And not to mention that sewage thing right there is right up under my picnic table. Yep. So, yep. So we'll tap back in, you know. Big baby. He trying to, you too big. You ain't no lap dog, man. Come on now. Oh man. All right, y'all. All right, good morning. Check it out. Got Tim in the house.
What up, though?
Tripping.
What up, though?
Told y'all I got family everywhere, y'all. This
Right.
is my brother right here.
Yeah,
y'all.
yeah,
We
yeah.
having us a great time here. Yeah. We in Missouri, baby.
That's
Missouri.
right. Hannibal, Missouri.
Yeah, we out. I had to change my campsite, y'all, but it's all good. I still got a beautiful site. Matter of fact, I think it's a little bit better, and I'm doing what I do.
The furnace.
Right.
Who came the furnace?
This ain't the meet and greet. This we just come together chilling with the family.
Who came, Hannibal, Missouri? Who came I would like to know who you are. Can you step up? Who came 1 hour?
There it is.
Who came 1 hour?
2 hours.
I'm out
4
here,
hours.
baby. Enjoying life, y'all.
4 hours away? 5 hours.
Tim Dog in the house.
How long did it take?
All right, y'all. I got a gift card. I won the longest trip here. 8 hours. GPS. $100. Yeah. Eric Williams on the way. Oh yeah, that's the man right there. Oh yeah.
You doing like Shaq was doing. You doing like Shaq was doing.
I told y'all, we got family everywhere. It's a beautiful lifestyle. Had to get out here. I'll be back. Good morning. Good morning. Saturday morning, y'all. Check me out. Piston basketball today. Playoff basketball today. Yeah. Saturday morning, man, we having a good time. This is the last full day of the event. Be rolling out early in the morning. Got a long ride back home, but it was well worth it. Had a great time here. Yep. Oh yeah. That looked like a big hill, but we actually sitting on a little mountain here. And that's the tip of it, right up there. It's campground. It's nice here, y'all. We out here exploring, baby. That's what we do. Yeah. All right. All right, I'm back. It's probably around noon, maybe a little afternoon. We about to do a tour right at the campground. They got some cave tours, so we about to do the tour. Mark Twain Cave, 1890 entrance. Yep. So we got a lot of people from my group came together. We about to get it in. Yep. We out here. I'm out here. this long walk. Right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's definitely after 8 o'clock. It's probably coming up on 9 o'clock. And we just not getting out of here. I got my tanks flushed out good. Everything good. Get my site out here. I'm all hooked up, ready to roll out. You know, beautiful campground. Here's my neighbor right here. Big Tim right here.
What up, though?
Yeah, that's the man right there.
What up, what
Man,
up, what up?
I told you, I got family everywhere, man.
In every area code.
Lee is in the house. Where you at?
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Thank
So
you.
happy to have you here.
Yeah.
Thank you for bringing me out. Man, this is a great time. It's the sad part, though.
Yeah.
It
It's time
is.
to
Yep.
go. It's time to go.
But you know what? Well, we got to be thankful that it happened.
That's right.
Right.
Yep.
And it's gonna happen again.
right.
Definitely this event.
Next year,
Yeah.
not on Easter weekend this
Right,
time. No,
right.
we're gonna make sure of that.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be Easter.
I mean, to me, it worked out because I only had to take off one day
Oh, okay,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
to get these.
Yeah.
So
That's feedback.
Stuff like that worked
Right.
for me.
Yeah.
You know, for us weekend warriors.
Right.
Yep. So
Yeah.
랩을 못한 남은 내 노래마저도 예매 Get money back back new click new whip never put it back payback click clack bang I'm walking like a zombie